In this video, I'm going to be installing Zorin 17.2 in a virtual machine. So this is the website. So there's a free version, which is core, and then there's a pro version. So the pro version costs $47.99. So I'm going to install the free version. In the install menu, I'm going to select English, click install. This is the keyboard layout. I'm going to leave it as English. This is updates and other software. So I'm going to leave this checked, download updates while installing Zorin OS, and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. So the third option here, don't participate in the census. I'm going to check that. So this is the installation type. So I'm going to leave the first option selected, erase disk, and install Zorin OS. So write changes to the disk. I'll click continue. So this is the location. It's already set to New York. I'll click continue. I'll create an account. I'll type a password. I'm going to leave this checked. Require my password to log in. I'm going to click on restart now. So I'm going to log in. So this is the welcome page. I'll click on Start Talk. So on the taskbar here, it's similar to Microsoft Windows. There's a Start menu here. This is similar to Windows. So there's accessories. And under accessories, there's clocks, files, text editor, weather. This is graphics, and this is image viewer, LibreOffice, photos. So there's Firefox and Remina. I'll open Remina. So here you can connect the remote desktops here. It's an RDP. This is options. This is appearance. Applet, keyboard. SSH options, security. Terminal. And RDP. This is Office. This is Calendar. This is sound and video. And this is Brasero. So if you still burn CDs, you can use this. So this is Cheese, and you can take photos and videos with your webcam. This is Rhythm Box. So with this app, you can play music. There's a sound recorder app. So you can play videos with this videos app. So this is System Tools. So in System Tools, there's this main menu, Power Statistics, Settings, Software, Software Updater, Startup Applications, Store. There's Upgrade, Zorin OS, Windows App Support, Appearance, Connect. I'll click on this. So I'll open main menu. So here you can create a new menu, new item. So you can create new separator, for example, here. And you can also move down or up. So I'll open the Power Statistics app. I'll open the Settings app. So there's Network. I'll click on Add. So here I can add a VPN. I can add a network proxy. I'll click on Bluetooth. This is background. So these are some of the wallpapers. I'll select this wallpaper. So I'm going to leave it at this wallpaper. This is notification settings. So I can configure notifications for all these applications. For example, network. This is search settings. And I can move these up or down. This is multitasking. This is applications, and these are all the applications here. So there's privacy. I can configure the screen lock settings here. This is online accounts. This is Zorin. This is sound settings. This is the power settings. This is the display settings. This is mouse and touchpad settings. This is the keyboard settings. This is the printer settings. I can add printers here. This is removable media settings. This is the color settings. This is region and language. This is accessibility. Yeah, I can add users. This is default applications. I can configure the default applications for all these. This is the date and time settings. So on the taskbar, this is the workspace icon. This is Firefox. This is the files manager. So if you want to show hidden files, you can check this box. This is the show sidebar. I can turn that off. This is preferences. This is documents. So I have a PDF document here. So this opens in document viewer. So I have some pictures here. I'll click on preferences. So this is a software app, and there's explore, there's install, there's update. These are all the installed apps, and you can uninstall them. So they are all listed by categories here. You can also search for apps. So Chrome is installing. So I'll right click the taskbar. Yes, system monitor. I'll select taskbar settings. So these are the taskbar settings. So I can move around the panel or taskbar. Right now it's at the bottom. It's on the top. So it's on the left. And it's on the right. I'll leave it at the bottom. I can also change the panel thickness. And also I can adjust the panel length. So these are some other settings. So I'm going to click on the Start menu, and under System Tools, I'm going to open Zorin Appearance. So here there's Layout, and you can select any one of these layouts. So this is the default. I'll click on this one. You can also get more desktop layouts, but this is with the Pro version. This is the theme. I'm going to select the dark theme. And I'll change the colors. I'll choose green. This is effects. This is the desktop settings. Icon on the desktop. You can change the icon size here. And if you want to show these on the desktop, you can select it. For example, home. And this is the home folder. Click on trash. This is mounted volumes, network servers. So on Windows, you can configure these settings. So this is the window title bars settings. This is the title bar buttons. So right now it's on the right side here. I'm going to click left. And it's on the left. This is double click settings. This is the focus settings, window focus. This is the interface settings. This is font settings. And you can change the size here. So on the lower right side, this is the clock and date settings. I'll click on the power button here. I'll open the terminal app. I'll check the kernel version, so I'll type uname -r So that's the kernel version here, 6.8.0.
So I'm going to see if each top is installed.
So I'll install each top. I'll type sudo apt-install each top.
So these are some of the specs. This is Zorin OS 17.2. So the desktop environment is GNOME 43.9.
So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.